Find full-text peer-reviewed journal articles and many other types of information sources using EBSCOhost Academic Search Ultimate and specialized databases. To start a search from the main page of the database, first select the database name above the search box. A window appears listing all of EBSCOhost's specialized databases. Academic Search Ultimate will already be selected by default as it provides information sources from the broadest range of subjects, but depending on the topic, other databases may be selected. Enter search terms into the search box. Use only the most important words or phrases that describe a chosen topic. Before searching, users can immediately choose to limit a search to only peer-reviewed sources or a range of publication dates. On the results page, the number of items retrieved will be displayed near the top of the results column. Use filters to refine results. By selecting all filters near the top of the page, users can choose from different source types, retrieve only peer-reviewed sources, or choose subjects. Moving down the results column, individual or multiple items can be selected to download, share, or cite. To use the Save feature, users must first create a free MyEBSCO account and be signed in. Users with an account can also take advantage of the options on the EBSCOhost dashboard. The titles of the information sources are hyperlinks to the detailed record of an item and its full text. Before clicking on a title, note the publication date of the item, the type of source, and the assigned subjects as they fully describe an item's content. Take note of relevant subjects to try in new searches to retrieve similar items. Links to access and read an item will be found near the top of the record. The record page will once again provide reader tools like sharing and downloading. When using research databases, addresses from the browser's address bar cannot be used to access an item later. Instead, use the available sharing options. The citation tool will auto-generate a citation for an item in the selected format. But note that they may not always be accurate. To help make corrections to citations, users can export them to Noodle Tools, which students have free access to through the library. More help with citations and all other library services and resources can be found on our webpage.